Okay, this is our last tutorial for today. This is your tutorial for including an artist rendering in your write-up. So keep in mind that when you submit this to me, it will be double spaced, but when you submit it to Miss Stoller, it will be single spaced. And I just want to, I'm going to reduce mine to single spaced right now, just so that you can see. I think that she's at, oops, did not mean to do that. I think that in the past she's actually done more like 1.15, but I just want you to see what this looks like when there's like more space on the page, you know? So I'm going to place my cursor wherever I want my artist rendering to go. And for the example that I'm going to include today, it's actually for shelter. So let me bring this down to single space as well. Okay, so I would put it right after shelter, and unfortunately it looks like that'll mean that it goes on to the next page, but that's okay. You'll be able to cut and paste it differently on your actual board. And now I'm going to go to insert. Now this is going to require that you already have an image somewhere on your desktop or uploaded to your Google Drive. There are a few ways you can do this. I am lucky enough to have a physical like scanner in my house. I have a printer with scanning capabilities, and I simply scanned my images that I wanted to upload. I saved them to my desktop. They are, you can see there's some scanned images right there. They're right here. This is the one that I'm going to upload, the bungalow rendering. If you don't have a scanner, there are lots of scanner apps that you can use a cell phone or an iPad for. And you can reach out to me if you need help with that. And the way that works is you just take a picture of it, but it makes it a better copy than it would be if it was just a basic phone picture. It makes it look more like a scanned image, and then you can email it to yourself and you can upload it that way. So you need to have those images like already made digital and ready to go. Then you go to insert, select image, and you could select from your drive if you have it there. If you've taken a picture using your iPad and you have Google Docs also downloaded on your iPad, you could even upload specifically from your camera roll using this. You could cut out that whole scanned image situation and mailing to yourself. Mine's on my computer, but you can see there are lots of options here. I'm going to click upload from computer. I'm going to find the image that I want. Click OK, and there we have it. Now you'll see that when I just uploaded this, I have this kind of funky thing happening on the side. It looks like I didn't crop my image well enough. So if you want to crop something, you just click here where it says crop image, and I'm going to pull this over so that we can't see that anymore and hit enter. And I can also resize my image if I wanted this to be a little bit smaller, and I can believe I can center align my image too. So there you go. That's your tutorial for how you upload artist renderings.